I'm recording this from inside the house because if I open up the door, oops, Journey spotted me. It's raining and the backyard is just mud, so I let Journey out to get some exercise. He's been playing with this ball. There he is. He's so bored, but it's been pouring rain. And the backyard is a mud pool. There he is again. He's going to be very wet, but at least he won't be muddy. Oh, here's Fuchsia. Fuchsia. We've had so much rain. Nobody's been able to get out. We got a little bit of a break. So, this Fuchsia is 8 weeks old today. Fuchsia! Oops! A little gully there. Oh, found the toy. Condition says, I want the toy. And Feisty says, I want Fuchsia. What are we doing? We got enough moles. Fuchsia. Uh-oh. Condition is mad. And Fuchsia's going to tell her off. Oops. There she goes. I'm going to tease Feisty now. Oh. Rendition! What are you doing? No, you two can't play together. Alright, threw the toy into rendition. Let's see what she does with it. I see you're getting pretty muddy. Oops. Uh-oh. Oh, now you got something to tease her with. Well, I don't think Fuchsia cares. Come on, Fuchsia! Here she comes. There she is. Ooh. Tugging my pant legs. There she is. Where's she? Now, how could you miss rendition? Where'd Fuchsia go? Oh, there she is. Rendition! Fuchsia! Oh, what have you got? Uh-oh, you lost it. Whee! There we go. Come on, Fuchsia! Yay! Come on! There comes Fuchsia. Oops, there she comes. Yay! Look at you. Pretty good recall, Fuchsia. I'll tell you. I gotta tug my pant legs. Huh. The mouth. Mighty mouth. Motor mouth. Oh, motor mouth. And you. Look at you, Feisty. Now we're going to have fun in the ivy. Maybe not. Oh. Puppies gotta love them. What? Alright, now we're playing with the bowl that Journey was playing with earlier. Fuchsia! Oops. Uh-oh. We're going to bring it over to Prada and Prism. Maybe not. Where is she? Uh-oh. There she goes. Look at that butt and that tail. Fuchsia! Fuchsia! Oh, now we're growling at it. Growling at a plastic bowl. And of course, there's Motormouth. She's been doing stalking, but of course you can't catch it on video. Oops, here she comes. Whoa! Oh, and attacked me.